Hi, everybody, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. I know another one with Thrive Life, but there's a reason for that. Today is the last day of the spring sale. And I know there's a lot of you guys who have told me that you wanted to get in on this, and I haven't seen your order come through. So I am just putting it out there that today's the last day, 30 to 50% off, you guys. There's not going to be another sale like this until November for Black Friday. And this is, I mean, we crashed the site. That's how many people are trying to get in on this food. So there's a really good reason why everybody is buying this right now, and it's to stock up. With the prices the way they are in the grocery stores, this food is like food security, you guys. It really is. So, I dehydrate, I freeze, I garden. Adding this to my food storage and my food pantry, foods that we use every day, everything that I preserve, I use every day. It's not just to sit on a shelf. I have a working pantry and I have a long-term pantry. And this stuff is so good to make last minute meals, to make meals in a jar, to take camping. We have stocked our trailer. I'm still stocking it. It's still set up in our yard or in my driveway. So we are getting as much as we can now at these prices. I only buy the stuff on sale. So, and I hope that that's what you guys are doing too. There's been a few times when I've needed something, or I just want to buy something for somebody else, and I will get it, some of the cheaper items when they're not on sale, which is fine. But for the most part, I only buy the stuff on sale, and I use everything that I sell, everything that they have. I've tried most things. I haven't tried everything yet, but everything that I have tried. My husband has tried. I just went on a short trip with my grandkids and my kids, and my grandkids loved the dried fruit. We snacked on it all the way there. They snacked on it up where we were staying, and snacked on it again at home. So or on the way home. It was really cool. So, and it's good because it's all healthy stuff. No refrigeration needed. We didn't have to take a cooler with us to store all the cool, keep the fruit cold or whatever. I just took one of these pantry sized cans right here and filled it with mixed fruit, and we had a blast. So, in fact, I've got to order some strawberries and pineapple for my daughter because she really liked them. So this is what's good about this stuff. You guys know that I use the onions and the peppers every day. I use the fruits every day. I'm going to go out in just a little bit. And I'm taking a snack bag with me, and I will take some of the raspberries and blackberries and strawberries and my pineapples and bananas and all the fruits that I have. I just put into a little baggie, like a little snack baggie, and I snack on it. Great for walks, great for hikes. And it's not heavy. That's one of the best things about this stuff. So storing this stuff, say take the onions, this can, it's only 3.95 ounces. That's all this is. So, some of the other cans are heavier. I think the heaviest one is like the tomato powder at 16.2 ounces. But that can right there of the onions lasts me for a couple months. And I use it all the time. That's why it doesn't last really long. But the shelf life on it, once you open it, is a year. So far, I just joined in last August, so none of this stuff has lasted a year yet for me. And I don't think anything that I have open will last a year because we use it so often. But the onions, I've gone through a couple of the cans of onions, and I usually just buy the pantry size because I use it in so many things. The tomato powder, the tomatoes, I absolutely love. The tomato pieces, they're so good. I often don't have fresh tomatoes when I don't have a garden going, so that's a really big plus. Another plus is the spinach. I have not been able to find frozen spinach. Well, my husband did when I was gone this weekend. He actually found 2 bags of frozen spinach and bought them. Usually I will buy fresh spinach, or we grow fresh spinach, and I'll put it in a freezer bag or something, cook it up, put it in a freezer bag because I don't can it. But I found this chopped spinach, the freeze-dried chopped spinach by Thrive. I absolutely love it. It is great for eggs. I love spinach in my eggs. It's great for casseroles. If you like just fresh spinach as a side dish, it tastes no different than fresh spinach. So all of this food, you guys, is just the ingredient. One ingredient, with the exception of the ground beef. As I've said before, it has some seasoning and stuff in it. There's one of the chickens that does as well. The chicken slices, I think they are. The chopped chicken does not. But the ingredient labels are right on the website. You can read exactly what's in them. The onions only have onions. The tomatoes, only tomatoes. The fruits, only fruits. You know exactly what you're getting. And if you are here on my channel, you guys are into food preservation, you are into food storage, self-reliance, you want to eat healthy, and you don't want to spend a lot of money. So one of the benefits of having Thrive freeze-dried food is it stores really well. It'll store for at least 25 years for 90% of the products. And it's great to have on hand. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some meals in jars. I'm going to show you how to, some comparisons. I've had a lot of requests for comparison of the ground beef versus fresh ground beef. I love it. It tastes just like fresh ground beef once it's refreshed. There is no difference. It's pure food, you guys. And freeze dried, I know everybody, almost everybody on my channel cans and dehydrates. Canning is amazing. Dehydrating is wonderful. I still do both. I will never stop doing both. You guys know me. But some nutrients are lost. So in the freeze drying process, these vegetables are picked and flash frozen and freeze dried right away, like the same day. You are getting the best quality fruits and vegetables that you can get, and you know that they're fresh. And when you open that jar, you can smell the difference. When you refresh them or just eat them dry, you can certainly taste the difference. It is so good. Believe me when I say I do a lot of companies, and I work with 7 companies. They're all different. They all have different things. The one company you guys will continually see me promoting is Thrive, because it fits into my channel. The other ones, not so much. But I stand behind this product 1000%. And I only sell what I personally use and have tried, and make sure that it's 100% of what the company says it is, 100% of what the company says it does. And this is superfood. So we are all stocking up right now. I know there's food shortages everywhere. The Azure Standard headquarters, I just heard burnt down. Oh, the chickens are being killed off. It's like we really need to take our food storage into our own hands. And as I said, this is food security. So I have all of these cans that you see right here. Well, most of them are open. So I have a working pantry, and then I have boxes of Thrive put away in another room in a food storage. And then we have it for our trailer. So we are very well stocked. And honestly, I don't spend a lot of money per month for this. I do get a lot of credits for being a consultant. So that's the other thing I want to talk about is becoming a consultant. I've had 8 new consultants join in just the last couple weeks. They're on my team. And one of the benefits is you get a commission on your own purchases. So whatever I buy, I get a commission on my own sales, or on my own purchases, as well as the sales of my customers. Right now, if you join, they are giving you a $25 credit for May toward a $100 order, which is terrific. You also have training to go through online. And once you complete that training, which can be done in just a couple hours, they give you another $25 credit. For getting your first sale, you get another $25 credit. So, and Thrive is very, very generous. They have what's called a fast track, and you have 90 days to complete this. And each step of the way, every month, they give you a goal or several goals. And once you meet those goals, which are super, super easy, they give you, I think the first one is a $90 credit and a backpack. And each month they give you a $90 credit for meeting one of the goals plus other things. And it's really cool. It's a nice family to be into. And the product is amazing. If it wasn't, I wouldn't be here right now, you guys. I completely am in love with the food. I have used it for many, many years and kind of drug my feet on becoming a consultant. And I wish I had done it a couple years ago when I was first looking into it, because I've loved the food for a long time, but I've never tried all of the food. I never used all of it. Now that I'm buying a little bit every month and I'm trying new things and learning new recipes, I love it. It is absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's just so cool. It's something that will give you security for having in your home. And it's there when you need it. If you need celery, if you're out of celery or peppers or mushrooms, you don't have to buy a whole bag, only to use a few and then possibly have to throw them away because you didn't use the rest of them. With Thrive, you just use what you need, and you don't waste anything. So my husband is really, really happy about that, because I was one of those people that would let stuff go bad, even though I dehydrate, and I normally dehydrate most of what I am not going to use. I was one of those people that were still wasting food. So we have zero waste since I joined last August. We have zero waste. I either dehydrate or I don't buy it fresh anymore. I just buy this. So I hope you guys go on my website and just check it out and see if it's a right fit for you. And if you are interested in becoming a consultant on my team, just let me know. You can go check it out on my website and make a comment here, or you can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. I'm always available for you guys. My Creative Canner members have a text number that they can text me on anytime. And I also give that to my consultants to get a hold of me if they have any questions that need to be answered right then. So I make myself 100% available to you guys. So I hope you'll look into it and do it today while the sale's still going. It's up until 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So go on the website. There are things that are sold out. They are coming back in stock. The demand is so high right now for Thrive. And when you look at what the prices are in the grocery store, or what you can't get in the grocery store anymore, you really want to lock in these prices at 30 to 50%. It is amazing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm stocking up. Like I said, it's food security. It is food that we will eventually use and food that we are using now. Lots more recipes coming up for Thrive Live Food. I'm also going to be coming on, I have to go out for a little while today, but probably by morning, I am going to be announcing how we're going to do this 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm just going to call it a subscriber appreciation giveaway. It's going to have a dehydrator. It's going to have a water bath canner, a electric tea kettle, a coffee grinder, and several other things. And it will be open to all of my subscribers. And there will be a live giveaway and other giveaways. So everybody will be included and everybody has a chance to win. So stay tuned for that announcement, and a couple videos coming up now that I'm back in town. And I will see you guys soon. The word of the day, spring sale. So you guys get in on this spring sale. I am telling you, you will not regret it. There's no minimum. You could purchase one can if you want to, just one can, or you can purchase a lot. Milk is on sale. The Thrive Life milk is amazing. The instant milk, so good. Anything you purchase, you will be happy with, I assure you. So let me know if you guys have any questions, like I said, and stay tuned for that subscriber appreciation giveaway announcement. And get on that site, you guys. Check out my website. It's thecanningnana.thrivelife.com, and I will put the link in the description box, and hope to see you there. I'm also doing a giveaway with all of my new consultants. There'll be a giveaway for them, and then all of my new customers in April, there will be a separate giveaway for them, and it's going to be Thrive Food. So get on there, sign up as a customer, sign up as a consultant, and I will make myself 100% available to you guys to be successful and love the company as much as I do. This is an awesome company. They're very generous with their payouts and credits. And you can really build a food storage just by being a consultant, you guys. It's amazing. Thank you guys, all of you who are my customers and my consultants. I appreciate each and every one of you. And like I said, you guys know I'm available anytime. I've talked to all of you, I think. And I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful Monday. Talk soon. Bye, guys.